We're in the city of Belmont. Came here to install a new Lennox furnace with AC2 as well. So basically we just had to do some transition on the return side of the furnace. We just went under the house, checked any damages to the ducts, taped it up. Duct testing, if it's a new install, it needs to pass with a 6% of air loss, versus if it's an existing duct, it's a 15% air loss. This job took us 3 days. First day, we took apart the furnace. Second day, we installed a new coil, set the condenser. So the third day, we had the service guy. He came out, did those brazing. We just helped him with a line set underneath the house. Now we're just cleaning up, about to leave soon. On to the next job.